Hello, we are back with a palette review today. So I'm going to be reviewing the W7 Racy palette. So this literally arrived about a day ago in PR. I forgot to put the box away in this video, but this arrived in PR the other day and I thought I just wanted to jump in and have a look. So this palette retails for, I think it's about £9.50 as far as I know. I'll put the price on the screen. But here is the palette. It's beautiful, and when I say beautiful, it is just so pretty. I absolutely love all the marble and just the marble effects in the actual palette. It's just so nice. We also have this really strange shade here, which this palette is a dupe. This palette is a dupe for the Huda Beauty Naughty Nudes palette, and what I love about this palette is that it's more affordable. So if you are interested in that palette but you are looking for something a bit more affordable, then this is why I'm going to review this and see how this is, because I have tried quite a lot of W7's makeup, including eyeshadow palettes, and I do seem to really like their formula. Some of their palettes are more pigmented than others, but I feel like every brand is like that. And yeah, I'm really interested in showing you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch all of these shades for you first of all. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch all of the shimmers. Okay, so here are the shimmers. So this top pink here is the Frisky, and that is beautiful, so pigmented. You can see how foiled that is. It is just very pigmented. The rest of these shimmers are really lovely too. I really love this colour here, this kind of like purple bluey kind of colour. It's got like a purple shift to it, but it's, I don't know, it's like purple but it's got like a nice bluey kind of shift to it. So I'm really intrigued to try them out on the eyes. So here are the matte shades. You can see right away how pigmented they are. There is no question about that. Again, we have got some really good similarity, but also some good differences as well. So I'm pretty impressed with it so far. That deep plummy kind of purple shade's gorgeous. They're all really nice. And then I'm going to swatch that really funky shade, which I think they call it Raw. I don't know what they call it in the Huda Beauty palette, but okay, so I wasn't expecting it to be the colour that it is. So I feel like when I've watched the Huda Beauty ones that it's been a little bit more of a clearer colour, but this is a very purpley, slimy kind of colour. Interesting. We'll give it a go. Okay, so I think for me personally, I'm going to go in with some concealer. I like to use the More Than concealer on my eyes because I just feel like it gives me a nice base. I have been to a little toddler group with my daughter this morning, so my I have got a bit of mascara on. Now my eyes are primed. I think I'm going to go straight in with this colour for the first eye. I'm going to go in with this really nice pinky colour here called Playful. And I am just going to apply that right in the crease. I feel like I just know W7's formulas now. They just work so nice. And they really do blend in nice. I've never tried anything from Huda Beauty, so I don't have it to compare to. But from what brands I have tried, I do feel like W7 does have a really lovely formula. I'm really impressed with this actually. It's a gorgeous kind of pinky mauvey shade. Yeah, okay. So I'm going to go into the colour Wild, this one here. And we are just going to deepen it up a little bit. I'm just going to kind of add it onto the outer corner and drag it up into the crease a bit. And just blend it. They seem to be blending really nicely. Personally, I don't feel like I've ever had a palette from W7 that I haven't got on with. There may be one, but I have tried quite a lot. But I really like their formula. I just think it's really good. It blends nice, the pigment's there. So I'm going to go in with, I really want to keep this look nice and pink. So I'm actually going to go in with this colour called Risky. which is this shimmer. Now, you know I like to put shimmers on with my finger. Look at that pigment. Oh, are we joking? This is, wow. This is stunning, you guys. Absolutely gorgeous here. Wow, this is just unreal. I really love that, actually. And then I'm just gonna blend in a little bit more of that darker colour, just to blend it in a bit. Wow, I'm so impressed with that. It blends in lovely. I'm going to obviously clean it up a bit, but it blends in really nice. The shimmer is just stunning. Wow. Okay. So we are going to put something in the inner corner, but I just don't know what. Oh, actually, I'm going to put this colour Dreamy here, which is this kind of marble colour. I'm going to just put this in the inner corner and see how that works. Okay, so we've now got like this kind of gold ombre into the pink, which is nice. I like that. So I don't tend to put eyeshadows underneath my eyes. I just don't know. I just don't feel like they look right on me. So I'm going to leave it like that. So I'm pretty happy with that eye. I'm going to go on to the other eye now. So I'm going to go back in with the shade. Actually, no, I'm not. I'm going to go in with this colour called Amorous, which is this kind of nudie colour here. And I'm going to... Oh, wow. Oh, my gosh, that's pigmented. Whoa. Oh, whoa. I wasn't expecting that to be that pigmented. Okay. It's okay. Blend, blend, blend. Formula is just gorgeous. So nice and easy to blend. Hey, Schnugs. My cat's always watching me. Honestly, these are just so nice and easy to blend. So I'm going to go in with this colour here, which is called Tease. It's a bit darker. And I'm just going to pop that on the outer corner. Oh wow, that's a pretty colour. Yes, that's nice. Okay, now I want to go into this colour called Piquant, which is this very interesting marble kind of colour here. It's got a bit of a shift to it, which I like, so I'm just going to go ahead. Oh my gosh, that's gorgeous. Wow, I'm so impressed with this palette. Okay, so this one isn't as pigmented as this one. This one's more foiled. This one is a little bit more of a powdery formula. But if you have the time and you want to build it up, I mean, maybe if I tried it with like a spray, you know, if I sprayed my brush or something. But I feel like we are getting a nice colour as it is. Oh wow, this is just so pretty. I'm so impressed. So now I'm going to go back in with that Dreamy colour and just pop that in the inner corner. Okay, you guys. This is the pink eye and this is this eye. I personally feel like I kind of prefer this one because it's different. Like, I'm so used to wearing pink, but both eyes are so pretty. I'm so impressed with this formula. This is amazing. I actually didn't use that really strange shade, but I have swatched it. I have seen that you can actually use this as a topper. So I think what I'm going to do is actually put some of that raw shade on top of the Risque. Okay, it didn't really do anything, but what it did do is it give it like a wet look, and I feel like I've lost that shimmer now. So I'm not really sure if I'm just putting some more of that Risque on so we don't lose that shimmer, but I'm not really sure if I like that shade. I'm going to be real, like, I don't know what it's for. I need to look into it more, but the rest of the shades are beautiful. I am so impressed with this. I feel like I really like this one. I love this. So I'm going to go ahead and put some mascara on and sort the rest of my makeup out, and then I will be back and give you guys a full review. Okay, you guys, I'm back. I am so happy with this look. I feel like the colours are so pretty. I feel like my favourite is that one with that nice sort of different shade. I've never seen anything like that and I really love that. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I will link this palette down below. It's so affordable to go and grab. Honestly, you need it in your collection. I feel like this palette is something I don't have, so I do feel like this is a good one to have in my collection. I honestly do not have any of these kind of like different shift marble shades. They are just stunning. You really do need to give them a good swatch. They are just so pretty. I am really in love with this shade here, which is that one that I've used on the eye. It is a bit, it's not lackluster, but it's not as pigmented as the shimmers, because they're more foiled, but it is so nice. It still looks good. I'm really impressed with this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, it would mean so much to me. I'm also going to be filming a giveaway for you guys. I have been sent 2 boxes from W7 from them, and they're just so amazing to me. I'm just blessed with that. I just feel so grateful. They've sent me a box of makeup to try with you guys, and they've also sent me a box for a giveaway. So I'm going to be doing a giveaway for you. There is no reason for it. I just wanted to give it back to you guys. It's going to be over on my Instagram and my YouTube. So you've got 2 chances to win. So I'm going to explain it all, but it's going to be 2 separate giveaways because they've sent so much stuff over. It's incredible. So yeah, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out, and put the notification bell on. Also, I have a vlogging channel if you don't know. My makeup channel is more consistent, where I post 3 times a week, 2-3 times a week, but my vlogging channel, I try to get a video up once a week if I can. If not, then it will just go up whenever. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know which eye you prefer down below, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.